Alright, so yesterday I was streaming some of my videos for the Dota 2 workshops, just for the announcement for some of you that may or may not know. And the quality wasn't that good, so I'm just going to do it again. Now, some of you again may or may not know that Dota 2 just released a custom map workshop for creating custom map for the game Dota 2 using Source Engine 2.0. And some of you that have been gaming with me for the past quite a long time, and we used to play quite a little bit of the D-Day, tower defense and elemental tower defense, or whatever that was, back in the day for Warcraft 3. So this custom map workshop tools allows you to create the same thing again using in the Dota 2 environment, using the Source Engines 2.0. Another thing that I know that StarCraft 2 has another engine too, which is called Galaxy Editor, but I haven't like tried it, so I can't comment the differences between this Dota 2 engines and the Galaxy Editor myself, so I can't comment on that. But in my opinion, I think that the Dota 2 community is more has more population than the StarCraft 2. Even though I used to be a StarCraft player myself, but I haven't been actually playing that much nowadays. So anyway, to install the Dota 2 workshops tools, you need to go to Steam and go to your setting and enable the Steam beta client under your account. After that, you need to go to your library. I already installed Dota 2, so yeah, just right click on that, go to properties, go to DLC, take this one off, and it will automatically download about 6 GB of the software for you. After that, you need to go to tools, locate this one right here, Dota 2 Workshop Tools Alpha, download it, install it. It's about 20 megabyte if I remember correctly. After you got that one done, click on it. Whatever. This is the one that I had yesterday. So you, if this is your first time running this, you need to create an empty add-on and just type in the name, whatever name that you prefer, and then just click on create. After that, double click on that. It will take it a while to get it started up. Now, as you can see that you have a lot of objects in the game, but like I said yesterday, I only had a look at 10 minutes of this one, so I haven't actually gone into deep detail. And this morning when I woke up, I haven't yet, just woke up, so I didn't really look at it into detail. But from what I can tell from yesterday, this one is your map editor, this one is your material. So I don't know what that means for now, but I'll have a look at it after this video, of course. This one is your model editor, which is you character models. So if you design your character yourself, you can import that from whatever software that you are using, 3D software you are using, like Maya or something like that, and then just import it into here. This one is for the effect of the game. So any character that casting their skills, so like Invoker casting Sunstrike, you can modify the Sunstrike using this tool right here as well. And lastly, this one is a console, which is basically all of the command in the language that the game is gonna, that the software is gonna display in here. So let's just close it one for now. This is the one that you will be working primarily on. So we're just gonna go ahead and click on create. So this is a new one. This is a new environment, and I haven't actually have a look at all of these, but this is what you would be doing. Click on this one, click on the and obviously create a new one. So yeah, this is the one that you'll be working on, this one right here. And this is the terrain, so you know, like the environment of the game. So you can click on that and start creating, say, a mountain or a hill or whatever you want to call this. And I'm just gonna create a mini map using this and see how it goes from there. And this one is the entities. So basically your characters will respawn from using this one. So let me just give you a quick demonstration. So you obviously you click on that, you hold that, and you just drag it right here. Why is that doing that? Alright, let's start it again. Click on that. Hmm. Try using a different one. Nope, something's wrong. Alright, but let's just use the one that I had yesterday. This is test 2 that I used yesterday for testing. Yeah, so I created this environment here, and you can use a WASD to move the screen around, or you can use the mouse as well, whatever you prefer. Um, so this entity, oops, this entity right here, this entity right here is from this one. You just drag it and put in here. I don't know what happened to the other one, but we're just gonna use this one for now. And let me just go over to what I have been using uh, for this map from yesterday. So basically you already know that I use this one, painted turn, and I use the water obviously to, you know, create some pool environment. And this is the path that you create to uh, create a passage to go from one map to the other. So if you have a blockage right here, so if this one is blocked, well, that doesn't look good. Yeah, so just imagine this one is blocked, and then you want to create a passage. Actually, we can use this one right here. See, it's working. So this one is blocked from this environment right over here, and to the environment over here. So you want to create a passage to go from here to here. I'm gonna use this command right here. I place the object from here. This one is for the tree, so you can plant some of the tree right over here using this tool right here, plant the tree. This one is the plants. So let me just show you how it looks in a little bit detail. Yeah, that's the one. And next one is placing some objects You can select some of the objects from here using this tool right over here. You can put some of them in, and after that you can select it and place some objects in the game. So I'm gonna use say the banner. Yeah, easy. And this one is just for select the object itself. So you want to select something and what you want to modify with it, you can use this function right over here, and you can delete as well, enable or disable. So if you don't want this object anymore, you can also disable it from happening in this map. And that's pretty much cover the editor, I mean like the basics object stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the build the map itself. This one right here. Create a minimap on load. Click on that. Yes, click OK. Build. Yeah, sure. Why not? It's gonna take a while to load up the map, and the bigger the map, the more time it's gonna take to load up. I mean, like building the objects and building the environment and stuff like that. So anyway, if you are planning to, I mean, like some of you may used to be some of the custom map modder back in the day. So if you feel like doing it once again, just let me know. Send me an email. I mean, send me a message on YouTube, or just send me a private message. You got my contacts anyway. Some of you in the guilds, and some of you are my gaming mates. And for those of you who occasionally watch my channel, and if you want to do something together, just send me a message using the YouTube message system, I mean a feature, and I'll have a look at it and see what we can go from there. And so yeah, as you can see, it's loading into the game itself. And again, just keep that in mind that this is something very basics. So you know, I haven't done any like events event setting or anything like that at all, or any boss fighting or anything like that at all. So this is just something.
Choose your hero.
This is just something for you to have a look at. I mean, like just muck around with it and see what's going on, how like the software can placing the object itself.
Alchemist.
Yep, it's working. Just going ahead and
Okay. Prepare.
It seems my graphic just crashed. Okay, that is strange. Try it again. Yeah, I don't know what was happening right over there. Maybe something wrong with my driver. I'll have a look at it later on to see what was going on. But if this doesn't work, I mean, like if it just keep on crashing on my um, on this one, then you pretty much get the idea for the basic stuff anyway, like how to create the the simple map for Dota 2. I will have a look at this later on to see what I can do with it. I mean, in terms of putting like some events in there, some of the boss fight, or making a tower defense, just to see what this engine is capable of. Because I haven't done any custom map for a very long time, so it might take me a while to get used to. But if some of you already familiar with this, just
choose your hero.
Feel free to send me a private message, and I'm happy to learn from you, and we'll see what we can do creating a map together. Let's just try this once again. Yep, as you can see, it's working.
Decanting!
Alright, so that pretty much cover it.
Prepare for battle.
And I will see you later. And again, if you're interested in making a map together, just send me a private message and I'll have a look into it and see what we can go from there. Alright, have fun, and I will see you later.